A piece of cake. A piece of cake. Very easy. Example, fixing this issue is a piece of cake. Example, fixing this issue is a piece of cake. Break the ice. Break the ice. Start a conversation. Example, I tried to break the ice. Example, I tried to break the ice. Bite the bullet. Bite the bullet. Endure a tough situation. Example, he bit the bullet and faced his fear. Example, he bit the bullet and faced his fear. Spill the beans. Spill the beans. Reveal a secret. Example, I accidentally spilled the beans. Example, I accidentally spilled the beans. Kick the bucket. Kick the bucket. To die. Example, he talks about what he'll do when he kicks the bucket. Example, he talks about what he'll do when he kicks the bucket. Hold your horses. Hold your horses. Wait or be patient. Example, hold your horses, the bus will come soon. Example, hold your horses, the bus will come soon. Beat around the bush. Beat around the bush. Avoid talking directly. Example, stop beating around the bush. Example, stop beating around the bush. Hit the hay. Hit the hay. Go to bed. Example, after studying, I decided to hit the hay. Example, after studying, I decided to hit up the hay. Cost an arm and a leg. Cost an arm and a leg. Very expensive. Example, buying a new car can cost an arm and a leg. Example, buying a new car can cost an arm and a leg. Hit the nail on the head. Hit the nail on the head. Exactly right. Example, he hit the nail on the head. Example, he hit the nail on the head. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.